Hi, my name is Esther, and today I will be teaching you basic Swahili for those of you who want to learn Swahili. How to introduce yourself in Kiswahili. So when you meet a person, you start by greeting them. In Kiswahili we say hujambo, hujambo. It's one of the simplest. There are so many ways of greeting someone, but you can start by learning hujambo first. Hujambo. And then they will answer sijambo, sijambo, hujambo, sijambo. After that, you will want to tell them your name. So we say, my name is Esther. In Kiswahili, it will be jina langu ni Esther. Jina langu ni Esther. Jina langu means my name. My name. Jina langu ni Esther. And you may want to know their name too. So we will ask, what about you? In Kiswahili we say, je wewe, je wewe. So I will say, jina langu ni Esther. Je wewe. And then they can tell me, ninaitwa, if they are called Mary for example, ninaitwa Mary. After they tell you their name, you will of course appreciate. I am happy to meet you. In Kiswahili, we will say, nimefurahi kukutana nawe. That is, I am happy to meet you. Now it's practice time. I will speak, you respond. Hujambo. Jina langu ni Esther. Je wewe? Nimefurahi kukutana nawe.